All right, it's obviously cold. It's early January, and everything was shut down. Today is Monday, but I got a procedure tomorrow, the first of a few coming up, and Sharon wants me to run down to be sure that I can get out the gate. This door was frozen shut, so I got to shovel that snow ledge, ice ledge. And then I'm going to head down with the tractor, make sure I can get the gate open. Yeah, that's all ice under there. Nice. We got ice. We got an inch of ice and then like 4 inches of snow on top of it. But I got the tractor warmed up. The heater on. This is one of many reasons I recommend getting yourself a cab tractor for days like today. Alright, well, let's take a ride all the way to the road. Make sure the gate opens and closes, because it's will be dark in the morning when we gotta leave. This door should close, even though I don't think we gotta worry about critters. I don't know what happened to my opener. Alright, I guess it's staying open. So we got between a ½ inch and an inch of ice, then we got some sleet, and then we got some snow over 2 days. Oh, and speaking of this, we had our hunters in here, and they were supposed to be hunting today, but yesterday was their last day because of this storm, and I actually took them out and set them up, and it started sleeting while they were hunting. I'll show you the new green lights on the candy buggy. I'm going to pick up the kids. Nice, I like it. Not half bad. And here's the back one. Works perfect for loading gear and stuff. Digging the new green light. Works out good. On candy machine. Feels nice. Looks like the gate will open just fine. Just wanted to make sure it wasn't buried or iced in at the bottom. Whew, it's getting warm in here now. Good deal. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. First big snow. You talking to the birdies? Hmm? Here's a view with snow. You can see why I want to clear all the brush in here. It's going to be pretty. Being able to look all the way down that ravine. Reminds me of Wisconsin. Alright, so the worst of the storm is past. Like I said, we got about a ½ inch or inch of ice and then snow on top. So I'm going to try to warm up my sauna, but I had to chisel that out. You can see all the wood chips down there. Just trying to get some warmth. We got a layer of ice on everything. I got the light switch working, but I'm going to warm this up. Since I don't have my hot tub yet, and see if I can get a little warmth in the sauna. Oh, max. It's gonna take a few runs to get it hot enough in here, but well, at least the snow is done and the ice is done, and we didn't lose power. A lot of people have been without power for 22, 23 hours now. Southern Illinois and even Missouri. So we're grateful for that. Although we are prepared with the generator. But yeah. Spring, come on baby. Come on spring. Get this one branch out of here. Actually there's a couple of them. Lose my shovel.